Hello, good morning. I am here in Ilagan City. It's my birthday today and we traveled to get something here in the office. I traveled along with my daughter, my son-in-law, and my grandson. There is the building where my son-in-law has gone to get papers. Grandson is over there. They are walking with my daughter. They are beyond there. We will have dinner tonight in Santiago City. Because it's my birthday. We will celebrate my birthday in Santiago City. We are here in Ilagan City. Ilagan City, Isabela. There's my daughter and my grandson. They're taking a walk. They're waiting for my son-in-law. He's there in that building. It's my first time to travel during my birthday. There is my grandson. There. It's my birthday today. I traveled with my daughter and my son-in-law and my grandson. We are here in Ilagan City. Taking time, waiting for my son-in-law. Enjoying my day. It's my birthday. It's my first time to travel during my birthday. It's fun though. Just having fun. Hello, I'm now 69 years old today. It's fun getting old gracefully. I'm now 69 years old officially today. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm happy. Thank you, Lord. I'm still alive. I'm at 69 years old. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I'm 69 years old now today. We are celebrating my birthday later tonight. We're going out for dinner. Bye-bye.